Did you know flamingos lose their color and they have to feed on the food that is color pink?
No? Talaga?
Apo, kapag na-lose nilang color, mag-feed sila doon sa pink na food. Nang ganito, ginagamit nilang beak.
What is the largest bird? The ostriches. They are tall.
Did you know that flamingo egg is the largest one in the world?
Oh, really?
Yes.
The longest bird migration. The longest bird migration. Did you know that birds can also migrate from one place to another? The tallest mammal. What is the tallest mammal? Sabi mo. Giraffe. Giraffes are...
Now, do you know that they can also fight under lion and tiger with their antlers? They'll push them away, and their feet will like this.
Ay, sus Maria. The
Now, did you know that tigers have such claws to run fast and climb on trees?
Yes, because they are big, and they are also a cat. Do you know what is the largest wild dog? It's the... Ang tawag dyan? Wolf. Bending low, a gray wolf stretches.
Did you know that wolves can also disguise just like a statue? So animals cannot know that it's not a real wolf. Just like this.
Talaga? Galing naman.
Kapag nagpo-play po kami ni Ate Kat ng hide and seek, nag-disguise ako ng statue. Ng ganito.
Para hindi kanya makita.
Para hindi niya alam nang hindi ako gumagalaw.
Okay, next. The fastest animal. Do you know
did you know that cheetahs is the largest cheetahs in the world than a jaguar? The jaguar is more shorter than that.
Cheetahs are bigger than the jaguar?
Yes, and they're the super fastest cheetahs in the world than a jaguar. The jaguar is like this.
Ay, sus Maria.
Slow. Manang ganito.
Uy, grabe.